Buongiorno, ice cream lovers. Hey, again, another day, a little bit of a rainy day here in Bologna, taking part in the judging of the World Gelato Masters, the World Gelato Festival of Masters 2021. Filming here outside the Carpigiani headquarters. We were given a bit of a tour yesterday by one of the bigwigs, can't remember his name, but he told a great story about the statue here. Now, this is Ondina. She was born in Bologna and she was a medalist in the 1938 Olympics. Now, the fascinating thing about it is that she is a hurdler. Poor guy's trying to get in the building and they don't want to walk around. The fascinating thing about her and about the hurdles in general is, as this gentleman was explaining, it doesn't matter who reaches the first hurdle. It doesn't even matter who reaches the second or the third. It's how you overcome each hurdle in order to win the race. He mentioned a really good analogy of entrepreneurship and even just in life. Now, one of the reasons why she is standing at the front here is because Carpigiani wants every one of their employees, the engineers, health, the training, the manufacturers, to kind of look at her as you walk in and say, what hurdles are we going to overcome today? Because again, it doesn't matter where you are in the race when you reach the first hurdle. It's how you get over the hurdle that counts. And so I know as entrepreneurs, there's a great lesson here that perhaps we should have a picture like this in our office, in our bedroom, in our wherever, because we always hit hurdles. You're always going to hit hurdles. And it's not necessarily who was ahead of you at that first, second, or third hurdle. It's really how you overcome the hurdles in order to win the race, whatever race that is for you. Great bit of advice there for entrepreneurs, ice cream entrepreneurs, but really in life. So thank you, Ondina, for inspiring us as we walk into the Carpigiani headquarters. Again, another great day. We'll do a few more quick episodes, some Scoop School field trips while we're here. Fantastic. Weather's not great, but the feeling is. So from Bologna, keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.